If you have ever searched for a free VPN, you already know the problem. They either slow down your internet to a cruel and cut off you after, for example, 500 megabytes, or worse, sell your data to pay for the free service. But there is one option that doesn't do any of that. No data cap, no speed throttle, no subscription, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up on Windows step by step, and stay until the end because I will run a live speed test so you can see the real performance before you decide. Hello and welcome back, my friends. In the first step we will go to the project site, which is Geph.io, as you can see here, or Geph. Just enter. And here you will see the main page of the Geph project. As you can see here, we have so many options which are for Windows user or PC user, Mac OS or Macintosh, iOS, which is iPhone or iPad, and we have Linux options for Linux user, and we have option for Android user, which can download the APK file directly or from Play Store. Now we just try to click on the Windows and try to start download. That's it. Now after the download is completely finished, go to your download folder, and here you will see the installation file. Just right click on the installation file, run as administrator, and actually guys, the installation doesn't have any special point. Just continue just like me. Next. If you need shortcut on your desktop, just next, install, and here just try make it on and click on the finish. Now here you will see the Geph client, and here guys you have options. If you are old user, you can migrate from your older versions, which you can use your user and password to log in. If you don't have, just click here on register and wait a couple of the seconds, about maybe 10 or 20 seconds, and after that you will get your passkey, which are some numbers. Let me show you how to do it. That's it. As you can see here is your login passkey. You don't need any user password. You need just to use these numbers to log in. So click on the logins, and if you wanna get subscription for about €1 per month, you can use this option, but we continue by the free version. Just click on the not now. That's it. In the first step, we'll go to the account management to copy our passkey. Here, as you can see, this is your account secret. Just here you have option to copy it. So just copy your account secret or account passkey. Try make a note and save it here. So whenever you need to log in, you can use these numbers and log into your account. So simple and easy. Let me actually copy and paste my numbers, and here you will see your numbers. Perfect, just paste. And let me minimize my window. After that, just click on the close. And here we are on the actually main interface. And let me go to settings and show you what are the options for this VPN. So here, as you can see, we can use automatic or select the servers which are available here. For the free version, we are actually limited. We have only 2 servers, but if you need plus, you can get subscription and use another server. Now let me go to the settings and show you some options. There are not so many options. You can actually choose your language just like this, as you can see, or choose your theme to the dark or light. Now let me show you another options which is so important for us. Just turn it on, network level VPN. Actually this is new feature, just try to turn it on. And here we have another options. Let me show you. Allow direct connections. If you need to turn it on your LAN connections, I mean the devices are in this network. And here you have a option for adult. If you have kids on your home, you can turn it on. And here speed tunneling. If you don't need to this VPN, use another application, you can split them here. And here, if you need to use proxy on another devices which are connected to this network, you must turn it on, listening all interfaces and allow direct connections. And now use SOCKS 5 and HTTP proxy. Now we are finished here. Now let me try to test it. When you for the first time click here, you have two options here, guys. As you can see, my network blocks VPNs or my network allows VPN. Here you have two options. Let me show you what are them. The first option is for the country which have heavy censorship on internet and heavy filter. If you are, for example, in such as this country like Iran, Russia and China, you must select the first option. If you are on another country which your country doesn't blocks internet, you can go by second option which I use. So we will continue by the second option, which is my network allows VPNs, which is so faster and better. Perfect. Now let me select this option. Wait, it will take a couple of seconds. And when your Geph is connected, you will see the green icon here. Perfect, just like this. Now it has connected to actually Montreal, Canada server. Now let me test on my YouTube channel. It will take a couple of seconds to open the website, guys. Be patient and wait. So my friends, if it doesn't work, try to switch your VPN connection to another server, just like me. For example, this time I will select Poland server. Wait, and now we are connected to Poland servers. Now let me try to refresh the web page. And that's it. As you can see now, guys, my VPN is connected and works perfectly. The SPD is acceptable, guys. It's great and good for free VPN. And if you are in another country, I'm sure it will be works better than me, because here I have a heavy censorship and filtering. Now, guys, we are done here. There is no important or a special point that I must tell you. I told you all of the things that you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget that, my friends, to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.